To court henceforth.
Yes, this will be coming by the Supreme Court judgment. I've been given license to dress in our religious attire because it should be an infringement or a violation, a flagrant violation of my fundamental rights to freedom of thought, conscience, and religion for anybody to stop. You saw I went into the Supreme Court, and you see, we've been given the license. Even my children will dress like this to the school, and I will encourage my fellow traditionalists, those who are serving the local, and Shango and Shokono, God of thunder, God of iron. I will encourage them to dress like this because it's always good to be religious. We need to be close to the spirits. You can see I'm not wearing any shoe. This is the, in fact, if I has told me that if I wear shoes, I'll be dead. What will I do? I have to obey the spirits. You see this eye? If without it, I can't see the evil spirits coming to attack me. So with this, I can see them. So you see, so we've been given license by the Supreme Court judgment of Friday. We've been given the license to dress in our religious outfit because it's the mood. It's the mood of our worship.
But in a situation that the security agent challenge you and they order for your arrest, how will you do?
Nobody can do it. Nobody. Even the president can. Buhari can't arrest me. In my own fundamental rights, nobody can. It's my fundamental rights.
So, but since this one is alien to law profession, are you saying that you can stand before judge to
I will.
argue a matter?
Sure, this is my outfit. Sure, this is my outfit. I can stand anywhere. This is my outfit. What is alien? There is no law Section 45 of the Constitution that derogates the right to freedom of the.
Mo lérò wípé ẹ gbọ́ ohun tí agbẹjọ́rò yìí sọ. Yorùbá wípé ọ̀rọ̀ ń bọ̀rọ̀ bọ̀, eegun àláré. Agbẹjọ́rò yìí tó tún jẹ́ ajàfẹ́tọ̀ọ́ ọmọnìyàn, òun ló ti ṣàlàyé lórí ìpinnu rẹ̀ àti ìgbàgbọ́ rẹ̀ ní ìbámu pẹ̀lú òfin orílẹ̀-èdè yìí tó ní ó fààyè gba gbogbo ẹlẹ́sìn. Kódà ó ṣàlàyé nínú ọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀ wípé àwọn ọmọ tòun gan yóò máa wọrú aṣọ yìí lọ sínú ọgbà iléèwé wọn. Èyí kọni lómi inú. Ọ̀pọ̀ ní wò pé irú kí leléyìí. Àwọn kan tiẹ̀ máa bẹnu àtẹ́ lu ẹ̀sìn. Wọ́n wípé ẹ̀sìn àtọ̀húnrìnwá tó jẹ́ pé àwọn kan ńlórù wá fún wa. Àwọn kan ní a sì ti wá fẹ́ máa fi sọra wa di ọlọ́ta sọ́ta. Tèmi ń tiyín tòótọ́. Èyí ga lọ́pọ̀lọpọ̀. Kí n tó tẹ̀ wájú, ẹ má gbàgbé níkànnì Bembeyeke bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe ń gbọ́ yìí tá a sì ń jábọ̀ ìròyìn fún yín. Ẹ subscribe. Ẹ tẹ subscribe lẹ́yìn ìgbà tẹ́ bá tẹ̀ ẹ rí aago kan lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ notification bell ni. Ẹ tẹ̀ tí ẹ bá ti tẹ notification bell yẹn ẹ tẹ option all. Ẹ pín fáwọn ẹlòmíì. Ẹ jẹ́ kí wọ́n mọ̀ tẹ́ ń gbádùn níkànnì yìí. Yóò máa ju yín ṣe lóòrèkóòrè. Ẹ pín fẹ́lòmíì o, ẹ share ẹ̀ kẹ́ ẹ sì kọ kọ́mẹ̀ntì yín ká mọ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe ń gbádùn Bembeyeke TV. Ojúlówó ìsọfúnni ni. Tó ọ̀rọ̀ rèé, ọ̀rọ̀ Christian, Muslim. Eléyìí táwọn èèyàn fẹ́ máa fà lọ́wọ́ lẹ́sẹ̀ yìí tó fi mọ́ àwọn ẹlẹ́sìn míì. Oníkálukú ló fẹ́ máa fi hàn pé òun náà wà ńbẹ̀.
Bembeyeke TV, ojúlówó ìsọfúnni. Ẹ máa subscribe, comment, share, like. Ẹ máa wò ó lóní Bembeyeke.